Get ready to whip up the perfect mango milkshake with just a handful of ingredients: full cream milk, sweet honey, a juicy mango, some chia seeds, and some raw nuts. Start by slicing and dicing the delectable mango into bite-sized pieces. The brighter, the better. Toss those juicy morsels right into the blender. Now, let's sweeten the deal with a generous spoonful of honey, pouring it directly into the mix. Next up, our little health boosters, chia seeds. A spoonful of these goes into the blender as well. It's time for a chill factor. If you like your shake frosty, add some ice. Remember, it's entirely up to you. To bring it all together, get that rich and creamy full cream milk and pour it in. Now, the magic happens. Let's blend it all to perfection. Plug in, power up, and watch it whirl. As the blender does its work, anticipation grows. Now, grab a sleek glass and pour the delicious concoction in. For the final touch, sprinkle in the raw nuts. They'll add a delightful crunch to your creation. And now, the moment of truth. Time for the taste test. It's definitely a 10 out of 10. And that's how you make a flawless mango milkshake.